Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to create a drop-down list with color in Excel. First, click the cell where you want the drop-down. For example, click cell B2. Go to the Data tab at the top. Click Data Validation. In the Allow drop-down, choose List. In the source box, type your options with comma as separator. For example, pending, comma, in progress, comma, completed. Click OK. Now the drop-down is ready. Next, we add color. Make sure cell B2 is selected. Go to the Home tab. Click Conditional Formatting. Click Highlight Cells Rules. Choose Equal to. Type Pending. You can choose default format, or you can customize it by clicking Custom Format. Go to the Fill tab and choose a color. Click OK. Repeat the steps for each option. Now select an option from the drop-down. The cell color changes automatically. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.